Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. SBR students, when you are watching this video, the ACCS September 25 results have either just been announced or are about to be announced. And in either of the case, if you are planning to appear for the SBR December 25 exams, then this video is highly relevant for you. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Hussain Qazi. A very warm welcome to my orientation session of SBR Crash course or SBR question practice course for December 25 exam session. I am subject expert for the qualification ACCA and the subjects strategic business reporting, advanced financial management and financial management. SBR students, for December 25 exam, first of all, you must have to aware that from now you have remaining time period 6 weeks. Your upcoming exam is scheduled 4th December. Before starting the details of this crash course or question practice course, first of all, you must have to aware that the very important point, the brain behind designing this course was to bridge the gap. I have made this course. And the brain behind designing this course was to bridge the gap between what examiner expect from a successful student and where you are currently stand. SBR students, it's not about work harder. It's not only about studying harder. It's about moving in the right direction. And that's exactly what this SBR crash or question practice course does. I can assure you this course puts you on the right path towards the SBR success. Students, I've designed this course particularly for these two categories of students. Number one, the first category of students, self-study student and needing to top up their preparation with expert guidance. Top up their preparation with expert guidance. Guidance for example, handling the exam question in terms of time management, marks management, coverage of the syllabus with priorities. What should I cover first, then second, then third? How to handle the current aspects, for example, IFRS 18, how the IFRS 18 can be examined, like these points. And the second category of students who have flunked or continuously failing the SBR exams and requires assistance. So ideally, this course is for the purpose for these two categories of students. Now the point is that every SBR students who are planning for December 25 wanted to know these 2 points. And that is what about agenda of this particular session. The agenda of this particular session, it's what actually you wanted to know for your upcoming SBR December 25 exam. Number one, the first thing everybody wanted to know that by next 6 weeks, we wanted to know the right direction to get success. So first point, how to get success. Number one, how to get SBR success. But before that, if you wanted to get the success, you need to understand what drives the success. That's called SBR critical success factors. If you know the CSF, you know the game. If you know the critical success factors, you know the game. And believe me, my SBR crash course or question practice course helping you to meet those critical success factors. I strongly advise you to follow the roadmap that I will give you, and I can assure you, I cannot guarantee you because I'm a human being, but based on my 18 years experience for this facilitation, I can assure you, you will be on the right path to get the success of the exam. That's the point. So, sir, if we wanted to get success, what are the critical success factors? One by one, there are 5 critical success factors. I will give you the roadmap, don't worry about that. The first critical success factor is about balance approach. Balance approach. Every student knows that there are 5 syllabus area. Number 1, IFRS. Number 1, IFRS. Number 2, conceptual framework. Number 3, ethical implication. Number 4, investor perspective performance measurement. Number 5, current developments. Every student knows that. But a student not preparing these content of the syllabus according to the priorities, which means exam weightage. Based on last 10 exam sessions, I have analyzed and diagnosed the weightage with these percentages. Average 60 to 65% examiner examine the accounting standard. 8 to 10% conceptual framework. 7 to 9 or 7 to 12% including professional skill marks. Ethical implication. 8 to 12% investor perspective. 10 to 12% current development. What you do wrong? If you face your exam around 60-65% of IFRS, what you do wrong? You people normally invest 90-95% time only on the accounting standard, and you people least concerned about the rest of the syllabus. So the first point is that you have to prepare your study with a balanced approach. Make sure your next 6 weeks must be in a manner to invest the time with this proportion, either knowledge purpose to get knowledge, either practice, or either the mock activities. You have to invest your time for learning, practice, revision with this proportion. Number 1, balance approach. The CSF first point, balance approach. Number 2, 100% knowledge of the syllabus is very much important, no doubt about it. But do you know that if you just focus on the knowledge, you will not be able to get success. Knowledge plus exam techniques. Next 6 weeks, you also need to learn about the exam techniques as well. Exam technique means if you learn IFRS 9, that's good. If you learn ethics, that's good. But the point is that how examiner examine. For example, the 4 marks question, how much we should write. For example, average student, based on past experience, I can show you the graph, the analysis. Average student complete only 80 to 85% of the exam. Why not 100%? Because student not concentrating the time management techniques. So critical success factor means number 1, syllabus with the weightage of balance. Number two, knowledge. You don't need to invest only time the knowledge, but parallel learning the exam techniques about time management, about marks management. Number three, simultaneous approach. Next 6 weeks, if someone feel that I will complete the syllabus first, then start practicing the question with the CBE format. Don't do that. You have to develop a strategy with the simultaneous approach. Means covering the syllabus, indulging the practice, exam practice with CBE format. Recent most questions to get an idea of what the examiner thinking and how you must have to respond. So simultaneous approach. Critical success factors, balance approach with the coverage syllabus. Number two, knowledge plus exam technique. Number three, simultaneous approach. Number four, in fact, the first point, you have to develop your mindset. The reality check. The reality is that based on 10 past papers, you will face the exam where 80 to 80% is about drafting. Drafting. So you need to invest your time for practicing, learning, not just calculation. Make sure you are investing time 80 to 85% for drafting. Drafting about accounting standard knowledge, performance measurement knowledge, ethics knowledge, current development knowledge, all components, conceptual framework as well. And also the application. Drafting, or not only about the knowledge, also the application. But do remember that, very important thing. Do you know that? The highest motivation factor for you, average 50% passing rate, SBR having 50% passing rate, based on these latest 5 semesters results. This is one of the highest percentage. This is highest motivation. Don't worry about that. The syllabus is extensive. Don't worry about that. But the passing rate is also higher. Last, the critical success factor. Do simulate the exam. Not only practice, simulate. Exam simulation means you need to pick one question. You need to pick the mock exam. Do attempt like you are sitting in the examination hall. Like you are sitting in the examination hall. For example, take out 125 marks question. For 25 marks question, everybody knows that for 25 marks question, you have 45 minutes. Lock the timer for the 45 minutes. Invest your time for 45 minutes. Don't worry about that. After 45 minutes, out of 25, you're just able to complete 15 marks, 10 marks, 17 marks. But this is the first time you are attempting the question. Do practice with exam conditions. First, lock the timer, do attempt 25 marks question, for example. For example, after 45 minutes, just able to complete 15 marks. Don't worry. Take more 20 to 25 minutes and then complete your answer. Compare your answer with the ACCA model answer or my suggested answers if you registered with my course. And then move on accordingly. Do this activity 3 to 4 times. After that, you will feel the difference. This is exam simulation. Means before the exam, do practice about the exam. Sir, these are the 5 critical factors. Okay. If you follow this, you will get success. But what about your course? Is this your course includes all, covers all the critical success factors? Okay, let's discuss. Number 1, if you wanted to cover the balance approach, the first thing is that I have made that's called smart approach. That is called 70-30. I have developed this course as a smart approach. What does that mean? If you registered with my course, I will give you 2 question grid. First grid is about 70 marks. 70 marks means section B 25 2 questions and section A 20 marks. Grid number 1. This is 1. Balanced approach means first I will guide you to cover these contents: IS 37, IS 19, IS 36, 38, IFRS 5, IS 24, IFRS 8, ethics, and some part of first phase of current development. What I suggest you. Then after this coverage, you need to attempt these questions with my supervision. These 8 questions. These 8 questions. Based on this. These 8 questions. Then you need to complete IFRS 16 and some part of the conceptual framework. Then move on for these questions. Then financial instrument, move on for this. Then IFRS 15, then move on this. This is a complete question grid for 48 questions. Till the all question includes, or the question grid has structured with the latest most question of March, June 2025. Same the second grid about the group accounts. So first is that is my course cover the balance approach? Yes, balance approach. Number 2, is your course about the exam technique? Yes. With my course, I will guide you and I will share you the answers. The answers with all exam techniques. For example, this is September, December 2025 question. Dare you? A question of ethics. First, I will guide you how you have to compose your mind according to the marks. How to develop the mind with respect to the time management. How much to write the answer to get the marks. All exam techniques including time marks management. Sir, simultaneous approach means covering the syllabus, simultaneously covering the questions as well. Both are working in a simultaneous manner. Yes, I will share you this roadmap based on the question grid. Roadmap based on 3 modules. Number 1, module 1. If you cover the module 1, you will be able to get 25 to 45 marks, where you need to cover the revision of these content of syllabus. Then refer to my course and then refer to the grid and then the first mock activity. Then module 2, then module 3. With module 2, after 45 to 70 marks. With module 3, you will be able to get 100 marks. That's a course roadmap. Sir, you mentioned that reality check, drafting techniques. Is your course includes a drafting techniques? Yes, I will give you the smart answers. What is the meaning of a smart answers? I will let you know. Please reply me, even you watching the video. If you don't agree with me, you can respond me on the WhatsApp number. Whenever you are attempting any of the question during the ACCA, for example, SBR or any other, you face normally the challenges. Challenge number 1. When you refer the kit solution, Kaplan kit or the model answer, you people are so much worried about that. That answer is too extensive. Number 1. We are not able to know how much to write to get the marks. These are very challenging. So you wanted some answers which you are aware about that. What's the answer with the student caliber, with easiness, with the relevant marks, and with the smart drafting, selected answers, concise, complete and concise. So don't worry about that. My course includes number of questions with the suggested answers. This is not exactly the model answers. This is what about the answers which are relevant for the student and to get the success only. It's not equal to model. It's equal to the marks. It's equal to the time. Simple words, with the, for example, the 4 marks question, how much we need to write to get the 4 marks. With time management, marks management, we will let you know. And for exam simulation purpose, my course includes 3 mock activities. And with this mock activity, with the scheduled time, I will let you know later part of this video. Scheduled time, you must have to submit through email. Me and my academic team will give you the individual feedbacks and obviously the briefing sessions as well. Okay, so these are the critical success factors, and my course includes these inputs, these contents as well. In simple words, what you will get: number 1, with question grid and the roadmap, you get smart approach. That's 70-30, means 70 marks grid and 30 marks grid. My course includes exam technique support. My course includes a smart answers I will give you. Yes, the complement for you, 100% course notes, 3 mock activities, live sessions. I will give you the details about the live session. Don't worry, the later part of this video. Sir, do let us know how the course will execute. The course will execute as referred earlier with this roadmap. Once you become registered, I will give you this roadmap. You will have the course notes. You need to review quickly these contents, accounting standards, these accounting standards. Review ethics with 1 video. Review conceptual framework. Then you will go for my course. Sir, where is the course? This is course. For example, the course includes some content. This is about group accounts. For example, if you are attempting the ACCA SBR Sample 1 September 23 question, ideally you need to attempt self-attempt by yourself this question. After that, you need to watch this video. Video number 1, just for 15 minutes. What is the right strategy to read the question? Video number 2, lecture 5, examiner diagnosis about this question, 15 minutes video. Then part A1, goodwill. My course not includes a video. Also the CB format solution with the Excel sheet. Also the suggested answer with the Microsoft Word. Sometimes the CB exactly with the CB format. And these are the allocated videos. For example, if you have attempted this question, you are confident about the goodwill, leave this video. Just refer my solution. You are confident about the second part, impairment assessment, leave this video, just refer solution. But you need to know that no, part B is important. I wanted to know how teacher discussed this particular point. Go for that. Watch this video. It's very flexible. So what I was saying that, quick revision, go for my question practice course, then go back to the question grid. For example, with this question grid for first phase, there are 8 questions. Out of 8, with SBR course, 5 questions you have done by referring my videos. Remaining 3 questions, you need to self-attempt. You need to self-attempt remaining these 3 questions. Then do attempt the mock activity. Once attempt the mock, refer, gain your, my admin team, me and my admin team, or my academic team will give you the feedback, get the confidence, and then move on to the second phase. With the first module, after the mock, you will be able to save your 45 marks, the confidence for 45 marks. After that, go for module 2. Refer these content syllabus, then QPC course, then question grid, then mock activity. Then module 3. After the end of module 3, you will be able to complete your 100% marks. 3 mock activities. One more thing you wanted to know, sir, for next 6 weeks, how much time you need to invest? Here the hours allocation. For module 1, you need to invest for 40 hours. For module 2, you need to invest 45 hours. For module 3, you need to invest 50 hours. So from now till end, for next 6 weeks, you need to invest for 135 hours. The course not exists for 135 hours. The course is about 70-75 hours. But reading time, your mock attempt time, your self attempt time, the total includes 135. If you have 6 weeks, 135 divided by 6, you need to invest 23 hours per week. And if you invest, for example, 23 divided by 6 days a week, 1 day off. So you need to invest 3 to 4 hours daily. Or you can make a schedule accordingly if you are not a full-time student. Then invest more time for Saturday, Sunday. For Saturday, Sunday, for example, 8 hours. 16 hours. Rest of the week, remaining 23 minus 16, that's 7 hours. So allocate your hours according to your own schedule. That's about the roadmap. How the course will execute. I know that at end, you also wanted to know that. Sir, what about the live session? Every Sunday, 7 p.m. Pakistan time. And from first week of November, I will add one more class, 1 or 2 more class. That about boot camp live session where I conduct recent most exam live sessions. Mock schedules are these. You can lock your calendar. Sir, is your course includes IFRS 18? IFRS 18, 100% content I will share with you with the notes, with every aspect. You will enjoy this lecture, don't worry about that. And obviously WhatsApp support during the official hours available. You can ask any question on the classroom group. If you wanted to register with me, you can contact with this number, my WhatsApp number, +92321 827 1784. I strongly suggest you have to subscribe my YouTube channel to get more valuable insights. Or you can also approach with the team of KKDL. So thank you very much. If you have any question, you can ask me anytime. Thank you very much. Take care a lot. Bye-bye.